Hello guys, today I've got Sennheiser Momentum 5 and I'm going to show you how to rename your headphones in your iPhone. So, as you can see here, we've got our phone and our headphones. The first thing we need to do is opening the settings. Wait. Here, in the settings, we need to enter Bluetooth. Now, this info icon right there, and now we need to tap Name. Here, we can modify our name. We can add everything we want. Here, now we need to tap this tick icon. If you are on older iOS versions, you will need to tap OK button, but it's in the same place. Once you're done, you can see your name everywhere. If you want to bring back your name to the default one, just tap this X right here, and now tick again. That's it.